Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to use trending audio to boost content on the algorithm. For this, the first thing that you must do is identify the trends early. Look for upward turning arrows on Instagram. And on TikTok, you can check the viral tab or watch content creators in your niche to spot sounds before they peak. Do make sure to adapt and not just copy. Instead of simply copying a trend, tailor the sound to your niche, brand, or storytelling to maintain audience engagement. Also, make sure to focus on the hook. Though trending sounds are a great way to boost your videos, the first 3 seconds of your video are also crucial. Pair the trend with engaging visual text or a quick, captivating visual to keep viewers from scrolling. Also, do keep in mind that all trending sounds may not fit your video. Do make sure to prioritize trending sounds that fit the mood of your video, such as using high-energy audio for fast-paced content. Also, occasionally, you can use a trending sound at only 1% volume while still benefiting from the audio's trend status in the algorithm. This helps when you're trying to create content in which you're speaking. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.